To start dropshipping on Temu, first, you need to create an account on the Temu platform. Go to the Temu website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your email. Next, you need to set up your store on Temu. To do this, click on the Seller Center button and then click on the Create Store button. Fill in the required information such as your store name, description, and profile picture. You will also need to add a payment method to your store, such as PayPal or credit card. After setting up your store, you can start browsing products to sell. Temu has a wide range of products to choose from, including electronics, fashion, and home goods. You can browse products by category or use the search bar to find specific products. When you find a product you want to sell, click on the product details page and then click on the Add to Store button. Once you have added products to your store, you need to set your prices and shipping options. Temu allows you to set your own prices for products, but you need to make sure you are competitive with other sellers. You also need to set your shipping options, such as free shipping or paid shipping. To start selling, you need to promote your products. Temu allows you to share your products on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. You can also use paid advertising options such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. When you make a sale, Temu will handle the shipping and customer service for you. You will receive the payment for the sale, minus the cost of the product and shipping. You can then use this payment to purchase more products or withdraw it to your bank account. Overall, starting a dropshipping business on Temu is easy and requires minimal upfront costs. By following these steps, you can start selling products on Temu and earning money from the comfort of your own home. Just remember to always follow Temu's policies and guidelines to ensure a successful and profitable business.